Packing for a 2-week trip with just a carry-on? It's like trying to fit a Thanksgiving feast onto one small plate. You think, no way. But guess what? You can do it. I'm here to show you how to travel light, dodge baggage fees, and still look like you stepped out of a travel magazine. Trust me, once you go carry-on, you'll never go back. Welcome to Empower Your Journey, where travel meets financial freedom. If you love traveling smart and saving money while you're at it, this is the place to be. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips, smash that like button if this video inspires you, and share your packing struggles in the comments. Let's go! Picture this. You're at the baggage claim watching the carousel spin endlessly. Everyone's gone and you're left standing there wondering if your luggage decided to take a separate vacation. Not fun. Packing light means skipping the wait, avoiding lost luggage drama, and keeping a few extra bucks in your pocket. Plus, let's be real. Lugging around a giant suitcase is basically a full-body workout nobody asked for. Backpack or suitcase, it's like choosing between coffee or tea. It's all about your vibe. Heading to cobblestone streets in Europe? A backpack is your best friend. Just watch out for pickpockets. Opting for a city trip or a beach resort? A sleek suitcase with spinner wheels is your hero. On my first trip to Paris, I thought I was being practical with a giant suitcase. Spoiler alert. It didn't fit in the metro turnstile and I almost got stuck. Lesson learned, size matters. Let's be honest, packing every just-in-case outfit is a rookie mistake. The key to packing light is a capsule wardrobe. Think 3 tops, 2 bottoms, and 1 dress or jumpsuit that all mix and match. Add a scarf or statement necklace and voila, you've got outfits for days. In winter, focus on layering. Thermal tops, lightweight sweaters, and 1 good coat. For summer, stick to breathable fabrics like cotton and linen. And no, you don't need 10 pairs of shoes. 2 max, 1 comfy, 1 cute. Once I packed 6 pairs of heels for a beach vacation. Spoiler alert, sand and stilettos don't mix. My flip-flops were the MVP of that trip. Let's talk packing cubes. If you've never used them, get ready for a life-changing experience. They keep everything organized and compact, like Tetris but for your suitcase. Pro tip, roll your clothes to save space and avoid wrinkles. I once rolled a sweater so tight I forgot I packed it until halfway through my trip. It was like finding buried treasure in my bag. Raise your hand if you've ever had a shampoo explosion in your luggage. Yep, same. The fix? Solid Toiletries. Shampoo bars, toothpaste tablets, and lotion sticks are your best friends. Not only are they leak-proof, but they're also TSA approved. Win-win. Pack a small toiletry bag that hangs. Game changer for tight hotel bathrooms. And always, always double bag your liquids. Trust me, you don't want a face wash disaster in your suitcase. Airport snacks are the ultimate budget killer. A $5 granola bar? No thanks. Pack your own protein bars, trail mix, or even a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for the flight. And bring a reusable water bottle to fill up after security. Hydrated traveler equals happy traveler. One time I packed so many snacks, TSA pulled my bag aside. The agent was like, "Are you opening a convenience store?" No regrets, it saved me a fortune. Keep your essentials, passport, wallet, and phone charger in an easy access pocket. And if you're traveling with kids, AirTags or luggage trackers are a lifesaver. No more panic when your little one misplaces their backpack. Pro tip, pack an extra outfit in your personal item. You never know when a spilled coffee or delayed luggage situation might strike. Traveling with little ones? It's like moving a small army. But don't worry, I've got you covered. First, involve the kids in packing. Let them choose their favorite outfits or a small toy to bring along. It makes them feel like part of the adventure and avoids the, "but I didn't want that shirt" meltdown at the airport. Snack smarter for kids. Pack snacks that are easy to grab and won't make a mess. Think goldfish, fruit pouches, or protein bars. Trust me, a snack at the right moment can prevent an epic tantrum. Pro tips for families: comfort is key. Bring small neck pillows or a cozy blanket for naps during the flight. Stay organized. Use zippered pouches for kid-specific items like diapers, wipes, or extra clothes. Keeping these essentials separate will save you so much time. Entertainment savior. Pack an activity bag with crayons, coloring books, or a tablet loaded with games and movies. Screen time limits don't count at 30,000 feet. Let me tell you something. One family I know turned their layover into a mini scavenger hunt for the kids. It kept them busy and burned off some energy before the next flight. Genius, right? For my seasoned solo adventurers over 65, first of all, kudos to you for embracing the travel lifestyle. Here are a few tips to make your journey smooth and stress-free. Keep it simple. Opt for a carry-on with smooth rolling wheels and pack only the essentials. Comfortable shoes, a lightweight travel blanket, and your favorite snacks are must-haves. Compression socks? Not glamorous, but trust me, your legs will thank you on a long flight. Pack your medications in your carry-on, along with a list of emergency contacts with any important medical information. Add also your travel itinerary in an easy-to-reach spot, just in case. Don't forget to bring an empty water bottle to fill after security and drink up, especially during long-haul flights. Pro tip: consider a toiletry bag with labeled compartments. It keeps everything organized and easy to access. And here's a hack: a backup pair of glasses or contact lenses can save your trip if something goes wrong. What's your go-to travel tip for keeping kids happy on flights? Or for my seasoned solo travelers? What's one thing you never leave home without? Share your wisdom in the comments. And there you have it. Packing light doesn't mean sacrificing comfort or style. Which tip are you trying on your next trip? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow travelers. Oh, and before you go, check the description for my favorite travel accessories. They're game changers for packing like a pro. Safe travels, and until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.